Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding gelatin, full guide. Start by blooming gelatin properly and measuring milk and sugar accurately. I'll guide you through heating, dissolving, flavoring, and how long to chill for the best texture. Expect simple substitutions and troubleshooting tips so you can adapt flavors, control firmness, and avoid lumps, all explained in an easy, friendly way that's perfect for first-timers. Gather your ingredients and tools before you start to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Measure gelatin and milk precisely, and bloom gelatin in cold liquid while you heat the rest to dissolve sugar. Using whole milk yields a richer pudding, but you can substitute other milks with slight texture differences. I'll explain when to add flavorings and how tool choice affects whisking and final mouthfeel for consistent results. Follow a clear paste method to avoid lumps and ensure a silky finish. Bloom gelatin first, then warm the milk and dissolve sugar without boiling. Temper the gelatin by stirring a bit of warm milk into the bloomed gel before combining fully, and whisk until smooth. Pour into prepared dishes, cover to prevent skin, and chill until set. I'll also share tips for adjusting firmness and making individual servings or layered desserts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.